funny, doctor.
It's not really that funny. I was just doing a little morning ear cleaning, and the Q-tip came out, and there was no cotton on it anymore. So I tried to grab it, and I got a little piece of cotton, but that's all. So apparently there's more in there. So I had Dr. Jenny check it for me, and she thought it was really funny. So
as soon as I looked at it, I go, I don't even need the lights, honey, but I gotta have the video.
yeah, so now you have to
hold on.
So it's my turn to be the patient. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, don't y'all know he always yells at me about cleaning my ears?
I thought you weren't supposed to use Q-tips.
You're not supposed to use Q-tips down in there. Okay, I know.
Hold on, sir. Can you see it, honey?
You're supposed to put anything smaller than your elbow in your ear.
In your elbow.
Oh, I got his hair. Excuse me, darling.
Would you just? It's just driving me crazy. Don't push it in.
Oh, wow.
Oh, my God.
Okay, thank you very much.
You want to come, my dear?
I've been thoroughly embarrassed.
I should turn it. I should turn to the other side, not the side with the.
You might need to check the other side, too.
The other side's fine. I'm fine, thank you. I just had a piece of cotton that came off the cotton-tipped applicator and stuck in my ear.
He doesn't like it when he's in the hot spot, guys.
You're right. I don't like being in the hot spot.
He can't even make eye contact with the camera.
Are you sure? Is there nothing in this here?
Go ahead. Might as well. Who knows?
Look at it.
Could be one
Too
of
tall
those
for
days.
me.
Is he clear,
It's
Gina?
so nice and clean.
Well, so
You don't have
We
some
cleaned that
allergy in
I clean my ears. Thank you very
Here,
much.
sir.
So what's the lesson of the day?
Nothing smaller than your elbow goes in your ear, and don't put Q-tips in there either, and don't tell stories about how you were just trying to clean the outer part. If you put the Q-tip in there, just admit it. I put it in there. I admit it. I did it.
Lesson
All right.
from
Have
yours
a wonderful
truly.
day.
We're allowed to share his video on YouTube for the whole world to see.
Yes.
Is it okay if we share your video on YouTube for all of our followers and viewers?
Sure, if anybody really wants to see it.
I took my Meta 7.
Okay, tell us your experience with Meta 7.
There's no doubt that it's a benefit to me. It gives me more stamina. If I miss a day, there's no doubt I lose energy earlier in the day, and I won't go without it in the future.
It's fantastic. So you really noticed a surge?
Without a doubt.
How long did you have to take it before you noticed a difference?
Probably a week to 2 weeks. I was really feeling the difference in my day.
Right, yeah, it took me about 13 days before I noticed it too. Awesome. Well, we appreciate you letting everybody know. Thanks.
Hey folks, for a great way to remove earwax, check out this lighted pick. Its shape gives you more precision, making it less likely to push earwax farther back into your ear, which is a common problem with Q-tips. And the light helps you see what you're doing. These picks make a great addition to your medicine cabinet, so check out the link below if you'd like to get one for yourself.